2 points. Mr. Hyman dribbling the ball. Pinasa in the middle. Drop pass. Green Ranger jump shot, no good. Rebound by White Ranger. Paso. 2 points. Number 29. Steal. Red Ranger running. Turnover. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Nagharap ng papasahan. Rebound. Pasok yan. 6-4. Red Ranger to number 5. White Ranger to Sando. 3 points. 3. Number 29. 4.9. Kapok. Pass break to number 5. Pasok yan. Inbound. Black Ranger, dribbling the ball to Muscleman, pinasa yung number 13, pass to Black Ranger, to Black, tumatakbo na naman si number 5, no good, Mr. Muscleman, the ball to number 29, drop pass, steal na naman ni number 5. Oh! Red Ranger! Di mo rin! Ayan. Sige! 2 points.
Sige! Strong move!
13-6. Red Ranger. Tapos, rebounded to White Ranger, pinasa. Another 3. Same ball. Into Green Ranger. No good. Rebound. Number 29. Out of bounds. Opponent's ball. Red Ranger, number 5. What a crossover. Euro step. 2 points.
16 out of 15.
15-6. Number 13, no good. Red Ranger, running. White Ranger, 2 points.
Game scored!
Game scored. 17-6. Black Ranger driving. Still with number 5 again. Pasok yun.
19. Nawala na ako yun.
9-6. Kaya nga, hindi naman ako. Black Ranger 2 points. 19-8. Lamang sila Red Ranger. Number 5. Pinas sa labas.
Ganda! Ay, sayang.
Number 29. Dribbling the ball. Founded by Red Ranger. Nakalawas.
Black.
Red Ranger. Dribbling the ball to number 5. Scoop shot in. 2 points yun. 21-8. Number 13. Yes, no good. Rebounded niya pa rin. Yun, naipasa kalaban. Open layup. No good. Good. Na-rebound niya Black Ranger yan. Black Ranger. Nice pa sa ilalim. Nakakaw. And wide open layup.
Hey!
Still rebounded. Yun, pasok na. 23-8. Black Ranger inside. Pasok. Red Ranger giving the ball. Pass to Blue Ranger. To White Ranger. We got Power Ranger.
Ah!
3 points yun. That's 26-10. Another steal by number 5. Number 5. No good. Na-rebound yung Black man. Pass. Teammate. Number 29. Pasok. 2 points. Number 5, lumilipat again. Pasok na naman. Number 29. No good. Rebounded by Blue Ranger. Nakamove lang. Pinas. For 3! Good yun! Kaboom!
Bang bang. Wow! Isa!
Rebounded by number 29. Another
And one!
counted. May kasama pang foul. One shot. In. 31-15. White Ranger with the drive. 2 points. Last 1 minute and 11 seconds.
Shot!
National driving. Stay up, no good. Rebounded by number 29. Last 50 seconds. Number 29. 3. 2 points. 40 seconds.
Wow!
What a move.
Let's go!
Again, number 29 open to Black Ranger. No good. Last 25 seconds. 2 points. 20 seconds.
4!
10 seconds. Open for 3.
Magkagad yan kasi ang haba. Paano to yan? Tatanggalin ko?
Oo.
Hindi ka nagdala lang ano? Naubo ko ba? Galing ka na.
Okay, next game. Okay, check mo lang. Sir Froy, nandiyan yung lima mo? Sir Froy? Sir Froy?